We have given you all the powers that appertains to that job. Are we together? So that you are the one with the jurisdiction over the children in terms of the exam. So don't start thinking, collecting money, saying, you see, when we hear in the back room, they are saying it is only a question of time. By September, when later you bring money, by September we shall be able to sell you. Sell what? Because I want to affirm to you here, my brothers and sisters, those who have children, the exam will be seen on the first morning of the exam. Hakuna kitu ingine. Because soon they will start now manufacturing and selling. To the extent that the last one was 90,000 shillings per paper. Despite the fact that we say this exam, the way it has been done, nobody, because we have a large pool. Even me now, if you ask me which one is the exam, I won't tell you because we took from a large pool. Are we together? I want to assure you, because me, I say things as they are. Last year, there were issues about the selection after the exam, where you find, for example, somebody with a higher mark from the same school was left. The ones with lower marks were taken to the same school they wanted to go. That one is not going to happen again. Why? Because I don't trust anybody. Are we together? So when I delegate to you, nitakuwa hapo na wewe tu. We should be fair to everybody.